Hello, beautiful! Welcome to Canva Concepts with Jennifer Estil, and this is our episode 3. Tonight, I will teach you on getting the right alignment with your graphics using Canva. Plus, I've prepared an activity file for you to immediately practice this skill inside your Canva account. I'd like to give you an announcement that we will now upload and give you content on Canva tutorials every Wednesday and every Saturdays at 7 p.m. Yes, so let's get started. To start, I want you to go to your Canva account and open this link that I'm giving here, showing here on the screen here. Okay, and it should take you to this slide. First, getting the right alignment is about putting all the elements of your graphics in the right alignment that will make the overall image better and pleasing to the eyes. So I've got this slide from Canva Design Tool. So what will you learn? In this lesson, in this tutorial, you will learn how to position elements with a purpose in your design. And you will also know and learn how to align your elements in one consistent way. And third, you will learn how to use grids to keep your content organized. For the first activity, okay, you need to go into this file because I need you to do something here. First, ensure all of your elements are aligned perfectly. And you can see this magenta line here. This is a centered design. When you do this, when you click an element inside your Canva, may it be a text, a box, or an image, you will see the guided lines. There, you see that the magenta line there that just popped up when I clicked and drag the sleeve image. See that? That will be your tool to make sure that your elements are aligned. For today, for tonight, whatever time zone you are in, we'll put this centered align here. So you have to see that long magenta line in the center to know that you are doing this right. There. If you're done, let's go to activity number 2, where you will learn to use equal spaces between your text and graphic elements. When using equal space, it looks neat, clean for anyone to read and see your graphics. All of your elements should be of equal space between them. So just like that. So drag this flower here to the center here. And then the cherry blossom text, put that there. And again, using the first rule earlier, center aligned, it should look like this. See, it's a lot better now. If you're done with this slide, to activity 3, where you will learn to ensure your elements are vertically and horizontally aligned. It makes a huge difference when there's a sequence in aligning all of your elements like this. The largest image or element in the center and then smallest on the sides. It makes an effect like it's one on top of the other. And this blue side, let's put this on this side. Okay, let's put this here first. And then this. And then what the trick is to make this look like this, you push this a little bit further here. And also the same on the other side. Okay. See, it looks a lot better. And then this activity teaches you to align your text either on the left side or all on the right side. So use these text, put this first on the left here and this one here. What you can do is make sure that these are all aligned on the left and this one left. Okay. Oops, did again. Have to And then it looks a lot better here, like this. Yep. See? On the other side, if it's on the right, it will look like this. Put this here. See? You have to use that magenta line as your guide, especially on text. It will just show up. And you can also put these both on the corners here. And it kind of looks like Lego. Okay, this is the last activity, where you use the grid to align all of your elements depending on how you need it to be. Okay, so what we can do, put all of the elements inside, like this image here on top, this more big heading here afterwards, and this one here on text here. You can put it like that, or if I would do it, and I would put this on the bottom, put this here, market research, and just this here as well, or the other way around. Just play with it. See? It makes a difference. You can also like do this, like I can breaking the rules. Something like that. I think that's breaking the rules, but that looks good as well. So once you've finished all of the tutorials here, congratulations, and you've completed this short me cards. I hope it helped you a lot in learning more about alignments inside Canva and all of the buttons and the features here, especially the magenta grid lines inside Canva. This concludes this evening's tutorial, and if this helped you in any way, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also please follow and subscribe to our social media accounts, and Jennifer Estil CC in Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and again here in YouTube. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next episode. Bye!